Hello and welcome everyone to another StageDesigner tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to see where to find effects and how to use them in StageDesigner and Effect Server versions of the software. First, I would import a number of clips into my preload, and I would double click on the preload to open the preload menu, and the second tab I have available here is shaders, and there is where I can find my effects. In case I'm using the StageDesigner version of the software, I would have 4 effects available to use at the same time, and in case I'm using the Effect Server, it would be up to 8 effects available for me to use. To use the effects, I would just click simply on the number of effects that I want, and here I have an extensive list of effects that I can use. I can just click on any of them. The software is going to give me the parameters once I click on the effect, and I can here edit the effect that I want. And when I'm done with it, I can select the other effect. I can check the effect that I want. I can use the parameters to edit it. And once I'm done with all the effects that I need, I can just close this, and the software is going to use those effects each time I play the videos. If I want to edit these effects while the video is in play, I can go to the live editor. I can open select the clip that I have or need or want to edit. I can open the shaders tab again, and here I have the same tab, and I can just select new effects or just click on the effect and edit the ones that I already have. If I want to delete an effect, I can just go up to number 0, no effect, and this way I can just delete the effects that I have. I also have a filter option up here. Let's say I want to do some color correction and I want to quickly search for any effect which is somehow related to color correction. I can activate the click, and here I can type in the color or anything that is going to help me find the effect that I want. If I need some contrast effect, I can type here contrast, but if I type color, I would see all the effects, only the effects that are tagged with color. I can select the effect that I need. I can edit the tone and the parameters that are available for this effect, and then I can, when I'm done with it, I can just close this, and the effect is going to be applied on the video. If I want to also apply effects on my render output, that means on my master output, instead of using effects on each of my clips, I have the option to do it in my render output window, which is here, and here I have the tab for effects again, but here I have the option to use only one effect. I can select the effect that I want, again, edit it, and this effect is going to stay on my render output no matter which clip I would play. So in case you need to do some small corrections on the render output, you can use the render effect, which is placed here. And that is how to use effects in StageDesigner and Effect Server versions of the software. I hope you're enjoying using the software and these tutorials, and hope to see you in the next one.